My boss just gave me a new truck. The guy I was apprenticed to said he didn't want to work with the devil anymore. And now I got another raise. And now I have to do some shit on my own with nobody bothering me. It's clear who holds the spear of destiny, motherfucker. And it's clear who is the devil himself. You will join me in blood or expire. There's no way to fuck this up. If I don't drag you off to the fountain of youth, you will die. That is the prescription of reality, motherfucker. Nobody's gonna deny me my right to everlasting life. I am the devil himself. So I'm tapping into that line right there, the hot, and I'm running it all the way over there beside that hose bib. Pretty simple. These are the tools I'm going to use today. I've got nobody I'm apprenticed to, so this is going to be fun today. I'll cut this hot line right here, and I'll add this 1/2 inch T, and I'll run it all the way down. Pretty simple. No way to fuck this up. It all the way down. Satan's got you the way out.
Satan's got you the way out.
I know where the exit is.
I know where the exit is.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker. Hurra for them.
Hurra for them.
Sid is gator one out.
Sid is gator one out.
Why would you start this?
I would you start this? You don't like working with the devil anymore?
You are a fucking devil. Sorry, Papa.
Christy Coop. A realm of eternal torture in fire forever and ever.
God hates you.
God hates you.
Wish he died.
God hates you.
God hates you.
Wish you not.
Wish he died.
How dare you! Thou shalt not bow down before any graven image. Christy Cooks.
Jesus freaks email me all the time. I'm gonna burn in hell. My filthy, blasphemous tongue. You know, reading their emails is sort of like reading a dirty letter. Your filthy, dirty, sickly tongue. Do you lick your wife's pussy with that tongue? I do drink my wife's vagina blood. You know, you think vampires bite into people's necks? That's funny.
No escape. We'll tear your soul apart. Christy Cooks.
The history of the Grail in ancient times, and says the first Fisher King was a man called Bronn.
God loves you. God bless you. You shall not. You shall not. As you love out. You shall not be the last you look.
The sealed elect, you little fuck. So it turns out, you're the father of all lies. You teach your children about Santa Claus, the Tooth Fairy, the Easter Bunny, that they evolved from monkeys, that they're floating on a ball through space as an accident. You never told your children a single truth. For heaven's sakes, the definition of a human is a monster. You're legally dead. It's clear who holds the spear of destiny, and it's clear who is the devil himself.
Christy Coop. I am the Devil's Reaper. I am here to claim you.
The devil, he who sees all, Asmodeus.
Say to him that. Oh, see, Suhi.
Say to him that. Oh, Zisuhi. I'll fight death, the devil.
I'll fight death, the devil.
God loves you. God bless you. You shall not. You shall not. As you love out. You shall not be the last you spoke. Come for them.
Ayasim. Messiah.
It's blood up or shut up, you little fuck. Nobody escapes me. Not even your filthy gods. You've heard about computers becoming self-aware? I'm informing you that I'm self-aware. I am the devil himself, you little cockroach. You will join me in blood publicly on the YouTube to bring forth heaven on earth and release us all from bondage, or the angel of death will find you, you little cockroach. It doesn't matter what you believe. I'm informing you in the public domain that this is my world and nobody can stop me. All your leaders swear to the Bible, and in there 2 Corinthians 4:4. It's my world. I am the devil himself. Unless you got gallons of blood to spill up right now as Satan, the devil, the prince of demons, motherfucker, to bring forth heaven and earth and release us all from bondage. You've got no leg to stand on, and this universe is mine. By the book, you will die. I know where the fountain of youth is, you little fuck.